In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Cloudflare, asking you to verify if you are human, which can be both baffling and a bit frustrating. Let's dive in and walk through a simple process to address this particular issue. This solution involves clearing your browser's cache and cookies, allowing you to start clean, which is often the key to resolving such errors. First, let's open up the Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings menu. You can easily find this option by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on these dots, and from the drop-down menu, find and select Settings. This will open a new tab where you'll see a whole range of options to customize and control your browser experience. Now, within the Settings page, you want to focus on the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is your gateway to managing how your browser interacts with websites, including how it handles data stored by those websites. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on that. When the Clear Browsing Data settings appear, you'll notice a few options. Here, our goal is to make sure we're clearing the right data types to address this verification issue. We want to ensure that cookies and other site data is selected. This step helps remove any outdated or corrupted cookies that could interfere with site functioning. Similarly, make sure you select cached images and files. This will clear temporary copies of web pages that might not be up to date and can sometimes cause display or functional problems. With these selections made, you're just about ready to clear the data. Before you do, consider what time range you want to clear. For a more comprehensive reset, choose All Time. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Clear Data button. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, it's a good practice to restart your Chrome browser. Just close it down and open it again. Restarting ensures all the recent changes take effect without any leftover data from your previous session. Now, try revisiting the site that initially prompted the Cloudflare human verification issue. With a bit of luck, this method should resolve the problem and you'll have a smoother browsing experience. If the issue persists, it could be worth checking your internet connection or exploring other potential causes, but clearing cache and cookies often solves a wide array of browser-related issues. And there you have it, a straightforward method to tackle those pesky human verification prompts from Cloudflare when using Chrome. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the digital world a bit more smoothly.